So what do you do with the chess set once you're done playing with it? Well, if you leave it out on the table, then that makes a mess, that's no good. If you put it in a storage box, that's much better, except that's boring. Or you can use a display case. Display cases are fun and they're decorative. I like display cases, and so I was browsing Google and I saw these vertical chessboard display cases, and they're pretty genius. It's just a display case with 64 squares, so if you ever feel like it, you have the option to play chess on your wall. What better novelty than playing chess vertically? I thought that was really cool. I wanted to build one. And you know, these vertical chessboards, they're beautiful, but they're also ugly because they're rectangles. I like square chessboards, I don't know about you, and I understand why they're rectangles, because if you're looking at a piece vertically, it's a really slim profile, so using a square, that kind of wastes a lot of that space, and it'll make the pieces look really small, and so in terms of a display case, that's not very good either. But what about circles? I haven't seen anyone try to make circles for their vertical chessboard. What if the squares on a chessboard were all circles? And I think that will work for the vertical chess pieces because the long profile of the piece will just be kind of just cutting through the radius of the circle, through the center. And that'll be beautiful because rather than wasting space like the square, it'll just look like a clock. Okay, this is already taking too long. The question is whether I want to buy a jigsaw to speed this up, or a belt sander, or possibly both. Ah, shit. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking there. That's good. Alright, so this is progress right now. I made, I think, 39 circles out of 64. It's day 2, by the way, so that means I finally refined my process. So here's what it looks like. So obviously I cut out the circles from the wood, then we just go for a little chop. Now I have the roughly circular shape, and I just go and sand it with the Dremel and stuff. Happy Thursday, comrades. So here I have these strips of wood, which are pretty much going to be the ranks and the files of the chessboard. They're really satisfying to hold, by the way. And I cut these out of like a 24 by 48 board, and so they are this length because of how long the circles are, and because of that, the remainder of the board that I cut it from is just big enough to get the 64 pedestals I need. So everything's lining up, everything's super good right now. I'm very excited. Alright, my phone ran out of storage, so I'm gonna have to explain this all again. Got my rank here, the rows. I'm just mark out where that lives. And then a nice sheet of wood glue on each thing. And then super glue. I've been using super glue to clamp things. And so even though I have bricks here to give me some gravity clamping, I'm still going to use super glue because just to give me just that much reassurance. And then the all-important boom. Tighten all of those. Now for a brick. Okay, I just ran out of space again, and I'm now resorting to recording on Snapchat and saving it from there. And I don't even want to rotate. I have abandoned all proper technique. Come on, it's fine at this point, right? I'll do it properly when I have to do the circles. But make sure you don't screw up. There is a way to screw up a chessboard. The D1 has to be a white square. Don't make E1 a white square. And yeah, and then the queen goes on her own color, and the queen's on the D file. Don't mess that up. Check it out, guys. Let's see if it works. Let me make sure. D, D, F, H. Yes. Check it out, guys. Let's see if this works. Oh, a little bit of overspray, but otherwise, yeah, just adjust the angle. I should probably get gloves. But look at that. Bit of overspray. How do we fix this? Oh, I got it. Cause I've been sleeping on my dreams, and I can't remember what I mean to you. I've been sleeping on my dreams. How embarrassing would it be if I just accidentally painted adjacent squares? Yeah, still got to do the underside, but while there's still a little bit of sunlight, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I've done it. It's done. Dang, that's exactly what I was expecting. That's pretty cool. Of course, gotta pay our respects. What came next? It was like, yeah, it was this. Takes. Attack of the night. And then I think it was like, something like that. Queen out. Takes. And then
Daniel Naroditsky is a fucking prophet. He said immediately that XQC will likely go with the Scotch Open, and he did, so I had the counterplay, and he immediately blundered. Well, that's gotta be a world record.